Good morning. We will start session 3 on chapter Human Eye and Colorful Code. That is, we will start with the numericals. There are only 2 numericals in this chapter, children, and that is on defects of human eye. Now, few things, again, when we talk about defects of human eye, we will be using a corrective lens. So, what should be the focal length of the corrective lens, what we are finding? That means lens formula is applicable. So, to apply that formula, you should know the image and the object distance. How do we understand the image and object distance here? That is one hint to understand for myopic eye. Now, myopia is what? Far things you cannot see. Right? You cannot see far things, but you can see the nearby things. So, what we can do here is, let us just assume a normal eye. Okay? So, if I assume a normal eye, and this is the retina, from here the object will what you can say is it falls, the image is focused on the retina. As simple as that, this is what it actually happens. What is the distance here? Distance is, far distance is infinity and near distance is 25. The object what we can see, that is our known thing. Now come to this myopic eye here. So what you cannot see, the far things you cannot see, but you can see the object which is kept beyond certain thing. More beyond than that you cannot see, right? That means the object which is kept here, I cannot see at all. Where I can see when it is moved to a certain distance, right? This is my point where I can see the image. Whatever object is very far, it cannot be seen. If it is brought to that much only, it can be seen. So always remember, in the myopic eye, you will always be infinity. That is where the object is kept far. And where image distance where we can see is V. Whatever is the near distance what you can see, that is your V point. Okay? That is for myopic eye. Now, hypermetropia, what happens in hypermetropia? You can see the faraway things, but near things are not to be seen properly. So, here what will happen is, your near vision is what? Minus 25. Far vision is whatever the object image distance is given, that we will consider. We'll understand that once we start solving 2 numericals, one on myopia, one on hypermetropia. And second most thing is our UV, the same rule what we apply here for the focal length also. So exercise sum, directly we'll go, no, we have another sum here, 3 sums, sorry children. Fifth one in the exercise sum, a person needs a lens of power minus 5.5 diopter for correcting his distant vision. So for distant vision, now what is distant vision? Myopia. Okay. So power is, correcting lens power is minus 5.5 diopter. And for correcting his near vision, he requires plus 1.5 diopter. Why? Because myopia he requires concave lens. That is why. They have not asked what type of lens. What is the focal length of the lens required for distant and near vision? Directly, let us apply. What is the formula? What we know? We know that for the first part it is what they have asked. Power is equal to, it is 1 by F. Right? So power is minus 0.5 by 5 is equal to 1 by F. Cross multiply, F is equal to minus 1 by 5.5. So decimal if you actually shift, you will get minus 10 upon 55. 5 11s are, 5 2s are. Then decimal if you take that, minus 0.181 meter. So focal length of corrective lens should be minus 0.181 meter. Which type of lens it is, children? Myopia, right? So it is in myopia, what type of lens we use? Concave we use. Next, They have not asked here. Focal length is negative, so it has to be concave. Next, in the second part, it is near vision. Near vision it is hypermetropia. So power is given as plus 1.5 diopter. Power is equal to 1 by focal length. So P is equal to 1 upon 1.5. So sorry. F is equal to, so 1.5 cross multiplying, F is equal to 1 upon 1.5. If I shift, it is 10 by 15. 5 2s are 5 3s are. So it will be 0.66 meter, right? It is a convex lens. Why? Because focal length is positive. They have not asked which lens. Corrective lens or focal length only they have asked. But in case if they ask you what type of a lens, you should be knowing with respect to, anyhow, you know, myopia is concave and hypermetropia is convex. Apart from that, negative sign indicates concave lens. Positive sign indicates of the focal length as convex lens. Sign conventions. We'll move to the next sum. The far point of the myopic person is 80 centimeter in front of the eye. What is the nature of the power of the lens required to correct the problem? First of all, it is a myopic person. Just write the information if you want. So it is myopia. So distant objects are not clear. Okay. So a person is suffering from an eye defect called myopia here. So in this defect, the image is formed in front of the retina. We know that. Hence, concave lens is used. Now, we have not asked what, but we know that concave lens is used. Now, what is the object distance? Object distance, image distance, object distance is U. He cannot see far away things, means the object where it is kept, it cannot be seen. But the far point of the myopic person is 80 centimeter. Now there should be some far point. No, he cannot see far away things, means from where he cannot see, to what distance he cannot see. That means if the object is kept at 80, beyond 80 centimeter, the person cannot see, right? So that far point, if an object is kept at infinity, the person cannot see. U is equal to infinity here for myopia. What I should do, I have to keep the object, if the image is formed here till this part, he will be able to see from his eyes. From there the image will be formed in his eyes, right? Correct? So image distance V is equal to 80 centimeter. 80 centimeter. In the lens part, if I consider object is kept here, means it is minus. Image is also, if it is there, means minus. Remember this always. Sign conventions, very, very important. So, let us do the next part. Focal length, what we have to calculate. So, 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. So, 1 upon 80 minus 1 by infinity. So 1 upon F is equal to minus 1 upon 80. So focal length is equal to minus 80 centimeter. See, focal length for power. Now what we have to find here? Power we have to find. You can keep this, but when you talk about power formula, power of the lens we have to find. So power is equal to 100 upon F in centimeter. This formula you have to apply, children. Otherwise, F is equal to minus 0.8 meter if I use. You can directly say the formula as P is equal to 1 by F. It's up to you. Any formula. You know that. If focal length is in centimeter, power should always be in terms of power. When we consider, the focal length should be in meter. 100 upon f centimeter. We have written this in formula. Anyone you can use. Okay, if I'm using this, so power is equal to 100 upon minus 80. So 0 and 0. 2 4s are 2 5s are. So power is equal to here minus 1.25 diameter. Why it is minus? Myopia. It is a concave lens. Give the conclusion. A concave lens of power minus 1.25 diameter is used to correct his defect, right? A concave lens of power minus 1.25 diameter is used to correct his defect. Very clear? Conclusion is must and should. And the last sum. We'll start with the seventh numerical. Make a diagram to show that hypermetropia is corrected. Simple figure, not with respect to question. This is what we have explained it. We have learned it in the first session. That is hypermetropia. How do you correct? By using an appropriate convex lens, right? Do that figure. One figure, corrected figure we want here. I mean, not the defected one, the corrected lens one. Do that. Now the question starts. The near point of a hypermetropic eye is 1 meter. What is the power of the lens required to correct this defect? So it is a hypermetropia. Okay. What they have given? The near point. Near point means where the person can see. That is object distance. Is equal to, u is equal to, I'll write with this, image distance. I'll read the question once again. The near point of the hypermetropic eye is 1 meter. Actually, a normal eye, if you consider, what is a near point? 25 centimeter. But here, 25 centimeter, it's 1 meter. That means 100 centimeter. Now, near point only is 100 centimeter here, according to the given question, right? What should be the object distance? That means, if you keep the object at 25, can the person see? Yes, the person can see. Near point is 100. Beyond that, he is not able to see. So, object distance u is equal to 25 centimeter. Will consider minus, right? See, it will not be less than 25 because less than 25 nobody can see. Okay. Even if the question says that the object distance or the what's the question here? The near point of the hypermetropic eye, assume that is 27 centimeter. 27 centimeter, but still 25 centimeter is the nearest point. Nearest point, at least you can see the 25 what is kept, right? Just beyond that it cannot see. Okay. So object distance, let this be 25 centimeter only. Image, from where the image formation can be done? From 1 meter. This also is minus. So 1 meter, which should always be in terms of centimeter. Find the focal length and find the power. Simple question. Our main aim is to understand u and v here, children. Right? If you understand that, the numericals are simple. Substitute lens formula 1 by v minus 1 by u. So v is minus 1 by 100 minus of 1 by minus 25 minus 1 by 100 plus 1 by 25. So 25 and 100 LCM is 100 into 1 into 4 minus 1 plus 4. So 1 by f is equal to 3 by 100. So f is equal to 100 by 3. So focal length is equal to 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 33.3 centimeter. Okay, you want in meter, formula wise you know how to keep it. Focal length, hypermetropia, we use a convex lens. So focal length has to be positive. Power is equal to 100 by f in centimeter. This always you have to write. if you have kept that in centimeter, otherwise convert in meter and write 100 upon 33.3. So 1000 upon 333. You can just remove the decimals and do that. So this will be cancellation. When you do that, you will get answer as almost 3 diopter. Right? So with this plus 3 diopter. Okay, so you can give the corrective lens is of convex lens of 3 diopter. You can just give the answer. So with this we complete. With this we complete the numericals based on human eye and the colorful world, that is especially on the human eye part, defects of vision.